Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DARE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy price action today. Then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. And a pretty wild day. The price gapped up, ran, and then pulled back. And to be honest, I was not planning on doing the chart at all. And then all of a sudden, the final 30 minutes happened. So again, each one of these represents 30 minutes, and you can see the final 30 minutes is right here. And the price action just came to life all of a sudden. So the big question kind of going into tomorrow, and this is by no means like some sort of secret discovery on my part. Anybody with half a brain that knows how to use charts would take notice and say, what an interesting final 30 minutes. I wonder if this is the bulls and the momentum returning back, or if this is just kind of little knee-jerk reaction. But let's map out some levels of support. And really the easiest way to kind of gauge the health or the strength of this final 30 minutes is, can the price finally break up above this level that it has struggled with essentially the entire day? You rule out the first 30 minutes, but after the price fell back below this 285 mark, you can see this has indeed acted as a level of resistance. So I'll get that changed to red. And price fell below it. You can see right there, try to get above it, rejected. And then again, final 30 minutes, yeah, the price actually was able to get up above it. It didn't last though, and the price currently fell back below it, and it's currently just slightly below it. So that'll be kind of the key thing in my mind, at least going into tomorrow, on whether or not this 30 minutes has any sort of genuine powers. Well, let's see if the price can not only break back above this 285 mark, but then also start to get some closes up above it. By no means am I saying it's got to go up to 350, 360, but just the fact that if the price could get up above 285 and stay above it, that would be a good sign that, hey, you know what, maybe this final 30 minutes does indeed have some true momentum behind it. As far as levels of support, I'd say definitely want to see the price stay up above the 255 mark. If 255 cannot hold, then the must hold, no excuse level is definitely going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize that purple line is way down there. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move and get higher and higher and become more and more relevant. So to me, that's kind of that must hold level. But definitely the ideal level of support that you would want to see hold is at 255 in the event. The price can't quite get any separation up to the 285 mark. So very interesting chart thanks to this final 30 minutes, and we'll see how the rest of the week unfolds. Still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.